Hello, this is Mr. Beetle, and today I am going to show you electronic snap circuits with over 300 exciting projects and over 60 pieces. It is so awesome. Let us show you some. These yellow things right here are called resistors. What resistors do, if you put them in a circuit, they'll resist the amount of electricity you use. These things are called capacitors. What happens when you put these on a circuit? They store up electricity and then just dump it out. This is an amplifier. It increases the power of a signal. Now let's see what happens when you use all of these parts and make something. That's how it's done. This is my own personal flying saucer. Let's show you how it's done. Whee! Oh well, guess the one didn't work too well that time. Since the flying saucer didn't work, let's try my reading lamp out instead. Oh, it works perfectly! Yay! I love snap circuits.